Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your ICC profile for better sublimating. So the first thing is an ICC profile is used to help improve the color tone and accuracy of sublimation prints. Basically, it's to help produce images that are a good representation of the image or design displayed on the computer screen. So I'm going to walk you through how I was able to change my ICC profile and give you some tips on how you can do yours as well. I am using an Epson ET2720 that I converted to sublimating. I purchased Sublimation ink. The ink brand that I'm using is Hippo. To be consistent, I also purchased Hippo sublimation paper, and we are going to download our ICC from Hippo. When downloading your ICC profile, you want to make sure that you use the one that matches your paper and your printer combination. So therefore, I would go to the Hippo website and I would download their ICC profile, if that makes sense. So I went to the Hippo homepage, and right there on the front, it says get your ICC file. I clicked on that. I scrolled down to find my printer, which is the Epson ET2720, and I double clicked on that. And you'll go ahead, you'll download, and then you'll open that file, and I'm going to select it and right click and select install profile. Next, because you're not done yet, next, you're going to go to your search field and type in color management. You'll want to change the device that you're using. So for example, right now it's showing you my monitor, and I want to change the ICC for my Epson. So I'm going to scroll down, select Epson. Next, I'm going to make sure I'm on manual, which it actually defaults to recommended, but I already changed it, so you see that it's manual. And you'll want to make sure that use my settings is checked. Then you'll want to select add, and you're going to look for the file that you just downloaded. So mine I've already done, but I will redo it again, is ET2720 Sublimation ink Hippo. I'm going to select this and then OK. And then we're going to select set as default profile, and then you'll close it, and then you'll want to go back in just to double check and make sure that it took. So we're going to go back to color management. We're going to change this back to ET, and you'll see here that this is defaulted at the Hippo ink. And then now your ICC profile is set. Then the last step is when you are going to print. So let's say you're ready to go ahead and print for your sublimation, and I'm going to mine in Cricut Design Space, but it would be the same if you were in Canva or any other software. So you would just select make it and continue, and then I'm going to send this to the Epson, and I'm going to leave the bleed on, let's say, because normally I do when I'm sublimating. I'm going to change it to my Epson, and then before I hit print, I'm going to go to the search, type in printer, open printer, and I'm going to select my printer, printing preferences, and then you'll want to make sure that your paper type is premium, presentation matte, and high quality. And then next you'll want to select more options, and this is where I selected mirror image. So when you sublimate, you always want to mirror the image. Normally I do it like when I'm in Cricut Design Space or Canva, I usually mirror it then, but you actually can mirror it here. So this time I went ahead and just did mirror. So depending on where and when you mirror it, that's an option. And then if you have high speed checked, you want to make sure it's unchecked. And next I'm going to select advanced. And normally I'm on color controls. For sublimation, you should be on ICM. And then you'll want to select OK. and OK. The reason I changed it to ICM is because ICM is a color management system that adjusts colors between the I/O devices, and you use this function to produce print results with color as close as possible to those shown on the display. And depending on the printer that you're using, these functions may be available, and in my case it is, so that is why I changed it to ICM. So I hope you found my tutorial today helpful or useful, and as always, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.